In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Webflow. Whether you're designing a sleek portfolio, building a robust website for your business, or setting up a personal blog, knowing how to link pages is an essential skill. Done correctly, it not only enhances navigation, but also improves the overall user experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to select the button you intend to turn into a link. This button is going to act as your gateway from one page to another, seamlessly connecting the content of your website. It could be a Learn More button or perhaps a Contact Us. Whatever suits your site's needs. Once you've identified and selected your button, you'll notice a range of options to tailor its functionality and appearance to your liking. Next, take a look at the right side of your Webflow interface. Here's where the magic happens. You'll want to click on the element settings, which is represented by a small gear icon. This is your control panel for adding, modifying, and fine-tuning the features of any element on your page. Clicking it will open up a host of customization options that allow you to refine every aspect of the selected element. Now in this control panel, you'll find the link settings section. This is where you direct the button's linked path, telling it exactly which page in your project it should navigate to when clicked. Webflow makes this especially intuitive, offering you a direct and user-friendly way to manage your links without needing any coding skills. In the link settings section, look for the drop-down menu option labeled Page. This handy feature allows you to connect your button to a specific page within your Webflow project effortlessly. Here's where simplicity and Webflow's intuitive design shine. Click on Page, and a drop-down list will appear, displaying all the pages currently set up in your Webflow project. It provides you with an easy-to-navigate list, so you can simply select which page you'd like your button to link to. This straightforward selection process is designed to minimize errors and make sure everything connects just the way you intended. And that's it. You have successfully linked your button to another page within your project. By doing this, you ensure that your website's visitors can easily navigate and access the different sections of your site, offering them a seamless and engaging experience. Remember, good navigation is a fundamental part of effective web design, playing a big role in how users interact and engage with your content. As you continue building and designing, keep experimenting with different linking techniques to enhance your website's functionality and user journey further. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, stay tuned for more Webflow tips and tricks. Happy designing!